Clean, clean. Good job. Good job, big boy. You got snot nose on your face. Clean, clean. Oh, Mommy's got that spot. We can come back down here. All right, big boy. Don't fall over. Uh-oh, kitty's jumping up. Watch out for the kitty. Ah! Peekaboo. You gonna clean the carpet now? It doesn't go good on the carpet. Spin our hose. Here you go. There we go. Let's get back on here. It goes good on this. Let's go help Mommy. We're helping her already. Daddy's doing a lot of work here. Oh! We dropped our vacuum. And there he goes into the sunset. The cleaning baby. Oh, missed the spot. Good job. You're a good cleaner.